Basic budgeting for beginners. 3 simple steps to financial control. Take control of your finances today.
Creating a basic budget is a powerful step toward managing your finances and building a secure future. The process can be broken down into 3 essential steps that anyone can follow regardless of financial experience or background.
The first step is to track your income. Begin by gathering information about all the money you bring in each month. This includes your salary, wages from part-time jobs, side hustles, and any other sources of regular income. Write these amounts down and calculate your total monthly earnings. Having a clear understanding of what you have coming in is foundational, as it sets the parameters for what you can spend.
Next, it's time to identify your expenses. Start by listing your fixed expenses, those payments that stay the same each month, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Then, examine your variable expenses. These are costs that can change month to month, such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and transportation. Review bank statements and receipts to ensure you don't miss smaller or irregular expenses. Add up your total expenditures to see where your money goes.
The third step is to balance your budget. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your monthly income. If you find that your expenses exceed your income, it's essential to identify areas where you can cut back. Perhaps there are discretionary purchases you can reduce or subscriptions you can pause. On the other hand, if you have a surplus, consider how you might allocate that extra money, perhaps toward savings, paying down debt, or investing.
Regularly revisiting and adjusting your budget ensures you stay on track and hone your financial skills. By following these 3 vital steps, tracking your income, identifying your expenses, and balancing your budget, you lay the groundwork for a healthier and more organized financial life.